So you might have hit affiliate ages ago and those subs you once had haven't come back, but they've still got those pesky founders badges and you wish they were given to more deserving and current viewers. Well, now Twitch has added a feature to allow you to do this. Go to your creator dashboard and hit analytics and navigate down to earnings. You'll see a button saying view details on the bottom right of the page. Once you open this, you'll see a list of your founders badge holders. If there are any users you wish to revoke, then click on manage founders and delete the users you want to strip of their badge. The drawbacks here are you can't physically pick and choose who gets them. The badge will simply move on to whoever was next in line to sub to your channel. But remember, once you hit Twitch partner, that list of 10 will increase to that first 25 people that sub to your channel. If you'd now like to learn if your laptop is powerful enough to stream, then click here. Or for more tips and walkthroughs, click here. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.